Are you tired of guessing whether your website has enough authority to rank? Learn how to check any domain's authority score for free in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the free tool. Then, I'll walk you through entering a domain and interpreting your authority score. Start by going to the Website Authority Checker tool on Semrush. You'll see a field to check the domain authority of any website on a 1 to 100 scale, perfect for evaluating your own site, a competitor, or a link building prospect. Go ahead and click on that highlighted input field. Now click the Check Authority button. You'll be prompted to enter a domain name, like Amazon.com. So type in the domain you want to check. Then click Check Authority again. This brings up the website authority overview for the domain you entered. For example, www.facebook.com. You'll see the authority score displayed prominently. Click on it to see more details. And click again to explore further. Now check the authority score trend to see how it's changed over time. Finally, click View Full Report for a comprehensive breakdown. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.